Apple cider vinegar is an extremely potent ingredient, with a variety of medicinal properties, which support health in numerous ways. 1. The following 10 uses of vinegar will amaze you, so its consumption at bedtime will significantly boost your overall health. 2. Take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with some honey and water half an hour before going to sleep to treat indigestion. 3. Drink a glass of water with apple cider vinegar if you feel hungry before going to sleep to prevent obesity and sleeping problems. 4. Take a tablespoon of vinegar an hour before sleeping in a glass of water to treat the acidity of the stomach. 5. Take a teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar in a cup of warm water just before going to bed to soothe the stomachache. 6. When hiccups appear, take a teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar to stimulate the nerves in the throat. 7. Apple cider vinegar has potent antibacterial properties which quickly treat a sore throat. Take a teaspoon an hour before going to bed, and one more after half an hour. Then, take a teaspoon just before going to sleep. 8. Apple cider vinegar is high in potassium, which can soothe the pain in the legs, as the lack of this mineral is one of the main causes of these aches. Add 2 tablespoons of this vinegar to a glass of water and drink it at bedtime. The pain will be relieved within a few nights. 9. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of insomnia. Therefore, take 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar before going to sleep to prevent sleeping difficulties. 10. Apple cider vinegar successfully fights allergies. Therefore, drink a teaspoon of vinegar in a glass of water, and drink it an hour before going to sleep. Apple cider vinegar effectively gets rid of bacteria that cause bad breath and taste in the mouth.